Hi guys, this is very important topic to discuss FUT scarring on back of the heart, linear strip scar. I will show you very close view of this scar. If you come closer to this scar, this is actual scar. You see this is scar. And if my producer can show you in a very close view, you see lot of number of follicular units are coming out of that scar line and they are growing at the scar line. I modified this trichophytic closure by giving two follicles underneath the upper edge. They are started growing from the scar line. So in the long run, this scar will be rightly camouflaged with the growing hair on the scar line. You see in this, I can show you from here. You see this is actual scar and you see a lot of hair growing exactly at the scar line. We can count them like right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in only 1 centimeter square area. Approximately 10 follicular units are growing from this scar line. And the same is here. You don't see a bigger scar, but the hair are growing on the scar line. And from this side, I will show you again. This is actual scar line and you see lot of hair growing. Exactly, they are coming out of the scar line. And same here, you see this thin line is a scar line, very thin already, but lot of hair are coming out of this scar. Thank you very much.